Hi everybody, this is Mhannad Mhimeed. In our session I will explain how we can use the SewerGems to design domestic networks incomes. Now the program know the catalog, but until now we don't know what, for example, this conduit type, the size. The software needs suggestion or assumption. You cannot know which material you will use, concrete or polyethylene or PVC or other materials. So now we should go to the analysis, and from text table we will take the conduit. There are four columns: conduit type, catalog class, material, size. We have to add them. If they are not included in the table, you can add any table from this. We will select conduit table, and from here we have this available columns. On the right, this is what we see in our windows. If this column will not appear in the windows, you can add it from here. For example, area, and now I can move up or down as I wish, or I can delete it just like this. Okay, and now right click on the header and global edit, and now we will take conduit catalog, which we identify it in the catalog. Now okay, now we know we take the type, the conduit type from the catalog, and for the catalog class again global edit, and we'll take our corrugated polyethylene polyethylene, and for the material global edit, and is corrugated polyethylene, and for the size, which is the diameter, global edit. This is just assumption, so we can say it is 1000 pin. It doesn't matter, he will just take it for first time and he will start calculation, so he just need value to start from it. So for example, I will make it 600 millimeters, and okay, and now the software know he will start from here. Okay, now I will close the table